Graph the equation. 4x minus 3y equals 12. Well, this is set up in standard form, and we can find the x and y intercepts. Let's find the x-intercept, which means we set y equal to 0. That would give us 4x equals 12 because 3 times 0 is 0. So divide both sides by 4, and we get that the x-intercept equals 3. Let me now find the y-intercept. We do that by setting x equal to 0. And when x is equal to 0, 4 times 0, of course, is 0. We get negative 3y equals 12. We now divide both sides by negative 3. And we find that the y-intercept is equal to negative 4. So, plotting those, we have y-intercept negative 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. We have the x-intercept, which is 3. 1, 2, 3. And now we draw our line through those 2 points, and we have 4x minus 3y equals 12.